Most people thought in the insurance sector there is no any other stock again to buy, that everything is high. And what they are currently doing now, they are buying at the top. And I don't have anything to tell you if you are buying at the top, but my question is, where have you been? Where have you been? We've been waiting for you all this while, and now you are coming, you are buying at the top. And it is not a good time to be a newbie, because there is nothing you tell a newbie will want to buy at the top. So the only thing is to allow them to buy at the top, and they will come back to you and tell you, my money is red. And that is when they will tell you, I have learned my lesson. So the best way to learn a lesson in the market is to actually get burnt, because when you have an experienced person putting you through, you always want to move ahead. There is something in your brain that will tell you, no, this is not all there is. And that is why I want to do this video, to show you the one insurance stock that is yet to move and how you can also benefit from it. And if you are in any of these insurance stocks that I'm going to show you, I'll give every one a lesson. I'll give you a lesson to use in this trading. So without wasting time, my name is the Remain Investor Joseph, and you are welcome to the Financial Edge, where we teach how to gain financial freedom through trade and investment. And congratulations to all of us. We just hit 2K subscribers. I'm so excited, and I want to appreciate you guys. Thank you for your support. And that is why I want to bring these insurance talks, so that we all can see how many percent we can get from it before it hits all-time high. So all the insurance stock has hit all-time high except this one, and the market is still sleeping on it. As at today, we had offers, and I was just wondering. And before I could look, they cleared it. Another offer show up. I said, "This is an excellent opportunity." I've given it to my secret society member. They've actually entered when it was low, and I will tell you the price that they entered and our price target, and you can see how many percent you can get. So before we say anything, let's quickly look at the NGS insurance. Let's track what insurance is doing. So this is the NGS insurance, and we are looking at the daily chart right here. You can see when this breakout happened. I actually tracked this, and when the stock was actually at this point, I actually thought the first news for this insurance act. I thought the first news would be able to break it, but unfortunately, it didn't break it as expected. But I was tracking it, waiting for it to show up. So when I saw it, I quickly run and I share some with my community. As we move ahead, I'll show you the ones I share with them and also the price they enter. So that is the beautiful thing about being in a community, because you have guidance. Somebody has passed that route before. The person will give you guidance. All you need is humility, and to calm down. Once you are humble and calm and follow clear direction, instruction, don't allow your brain to come before you, you'll find out that you make massive money. And that is when you will now be learning along the line. All you need to do is to look at the pattern I use and look at how I approach. I always tell people, I have never made a loss in this market. I have never made a loss in this market. That is because there is always strategy, there is plan, and there is a way out. And that is why I'm confident to come here and give you stocks. I'm bold to come here and tell you what to buy and even give you price target, because I've been in the market for a while and I know what to do. So without wasting time, let's quickly jump to the first stock I want to show you. And this stock was actually selling at a cheaper rate. This is Prestige. So Prestige was actually low around this area. It was selling below 1 naira, and I was just wondering why people are sleeping on Prestige. And before you know it, Prestige shoot, and we started seeing some good numbers. Let's quickly close this area, and you can see Prestige at 2 naira 42. And guess what? It closed 10% today. And guys, is this around this area you want to buy? You are struggling to buy, and nobody wants to sell. You don't know that they are saving you your money. You said the insurance sector will shoot up, guys. You have to be wise. Insurance sector will shoot up. There must definitely be a pullback before the raise will continue. All what you are saying is no longer trend. This is pure sentiment. And that is why you want to make money from sentiment. In fact, the show, what are you saying? What I'm saying is, if you enter around this area or you enter around this area, relax. Relax. Highest, it will pull back 10-20%, then you get out. It is still cool. It is still cool. But if you enter here, you will not be able to sleep well. You don't, because even at the pullback, you enter red, and you know what red will do to your brain. So that is why I want you to calm down. I want you to calm down. For us as a community, we didn't buy this. We didn't buy this. My community member are listening to me, so I won't tell you what we did not have. I only tell you what we have. So for this is this is Mazard, and if you're following me, I gave you guys Mazard when it was below 9. I shared it when I was doing my dividend cheat code. For those smart guys there, they actually entered, and if you are still there, you must have gained dividends and also price appreciation. And congratulations, you are shooting by now. You are more than 2x, and that is the goal of every investors in the market. So let's quickly jump to the next one so that I won't take your time. And this is Cornerstone. And you know, we talk about Cornerstone also because they also pay dividends when I was doing those videos then. And guys, look at what Cornerstone has done. From actually this area, it broke this resistance the second time, and from 5 is actually moving. And those who enter around 5 may be getting to 9 or 10, which is 2x in a short while. So that is cornerstone for you. So let's quickly jump to the next one, which is ICO. I also pity those who actually sold their ICO around this area around 2, and some sold before 2, and some sold around this area, thinking that this resistant year will replay around this part. But you see, guys, technical analysis is just a guide. Sometimes it's going to mess you up, so you need to add some certain things to it. And these are the things I'm going to be sharing in my zero to millions course, and that stock for tornado is going to print fortune. Just listen to me, and when I start uploading the course, the videos, you start making money in the first month. First month, you start making money. Of course, I know comprehension differs, but the beautiful thing is after teaching, you see me putting them to work, and you see your money live and direct. That is why I like the stock market. There is no rocket science. I'm not going to blame you that you are the one that didn't apply it well. No, you apply it, you share it with me, I confirm it, you take your shot. Sorry, I don't want to be using those words again. You click the button and you buy. So we'll just move on like that. So that's for Aiko, and we quickly move to M benefit. So M benefit has been shooting lately, but guys, imagine this kind of movement is not healthy, because there is no pullback here, just a straight one, and this is news. And also, I'll teach my member how to trade the news so that you understand how this thing works, because sometimes this thing play with your emotion. Trading is emotion game. That is why they will tell you don't buy, don't buy. You won't know. The thing will just be drawing you. You say, again 10 today now, again tomorrow, again next tomorrow, you enter next week, make I enter. You see, when you enter, that is when you'll not be looking for someone to blame. That eh, ah, you were the one that said I should. No, 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 no. The rules still remain the same. It's buy low, sell high. And if you are smart in this kind of game, you can buy high and sell higher. So you know your capacity. If you are good, you know. If you are not good, you know. So I'm not the one to tell you if you are good to do. Anytime you are asking someone, should I sell? And you should know that you've not gone to that stage yet. All you are looking for is confirmation. You understand? Confirmation. So those who are close to me, I taught them how to take profit in a situation like this, because that shows that you are confused. And it's not your fault. It's because money is printing every day. Your portfolio is increasing every day. And guess what? You don't want to go back and realize that your portfolio has reduced. For example, maybe your profit is 10 million naira. The next day is 50 million naira. And you now go back, it's not 10 million naira. No, 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 no. You want to see profit and take profit. So that is Lasako for you. Let's quickly move to the next one. The next one is International Energy Insurance. This guy just moved. I actually saw this. I said, this is a good play. But guys, no much money to go in. We are all in right now. The cash I have is 5,000 naira, guys. Please drop in the comment section what 5,000 naira I can buy so that I can follow your call and buy. Investor need a signal on where to put the 5,000 naira. Just kidding, though. But if you still drop, I'll see what I can do. So let's move to the next one so that we won't waste too much time. So this is a great one here, which is Unishore. Unishore is sorry, this is Guinea insurance. So when Guinea is deep around this area, I shout out to my community that we should add more to our bag. And I'm so happy that my community we have this in our bag. We entered around 81, 82. Some enter around 1, some enter 86, and all things remain equal. This is going to do 100%. So we are going to 2 naira on Friday. So that is a good one. And if you're in the Stock City Society, congratulations to you. And we are going to celebrate bigger wins ahead. And also, let's move to the next one. This is Regalins. Regalins is another one. We didn't buy this because, like I said, I only look at some few in the insurance sector, and that is where we key in. So this is Rega, and you can see how Rega is shooting. And most of them are currently doing all-time high. I'm telling you, there are volumes, people are still bidding. Of course, maybe we've not even entered middle in terms of where these stocks are going to. But the thing is, if you are going up, if it is still going up and you entered low, Oga, keep enjoying it. Highest, maybe you make 200, 300%, and the pullback comes and pullback is 50%, and you are 300% before, you are fine with 250%. Because on a norm, maybe you are satisfied with 100%, but because you just think the trend will continue, you allow it to go. Or you take your capital so that you have rest of mind, because high blood pressure is real in the market. Because the Bible says, where the man's heart is, where the man's treasure is, that's where his heart will be. So because your money is in your portfolio, you always check your app, you always check everything, and when it is red, the brain does not want to see red, guys. But if your app is showing you green, guess what? You might look it 10 times and also project, assume, and you even spend it and smile once it's showing green. But once it's showing red, you don't want to see it. And that's why sometimes people just sell off and say, let me know that I beg, let me enjoy my sleep. It's not like that. It's not like that. If you want to make money, you need to have strong mind. You need to have strong mind if you want to make money, except it's this small thousand that you are looking at. But I'm looking at you building portfolio. You join a smaller group, you build your capital, you move to the next one, you build your capital. Because by the time you're in a place where people are mentioning millions, 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 guess what it's doing to your brain? It's expanding your brain. And what does the law of expansion says? It says when your brain expand, it will not return to the original form. I kid you not, it will not return to original form. So you have expansion. That's when you see business, you say, once this business click, I know where to invest it. And when money knows that you know how to use it, guess what? It's going to come to you. It's going to gravitate towards you. You are going to attract the resources because now you have mission. Now you have purpose. You know where the money is going to. But when you don't know where it's going to, you think what you have is enough. And insatisfaction is a gift from God. God doesn't want you to get satisfied, but He wants you to be what? To be contented. He wants you to have that, say, okay, with this I'm fine. But still, He put that hungry in you so that you always go for more. So that is Veritas. Veritas, we enter Veritas around 1 naira, and we also ride it, and you can see we are currently growing to 300%. And let's shoot up here. We have Wapik. Wapik is one stock that has always been giving me salary as at when it was selling at 44 before we have this shoot up in 2003. And since then, I've not actually tried to trade it because there are so many stock, guys. So, guys, in case you're still watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when my post enriching videos like this. So, guys, this is Unisure. I gave Unisure in 2023 when Unisure was 20 kobo, and I told everybody that watched my video then I'll look for that video and I'll just talk a little bit from the start and attach it and play it so that you can see when I've been giving these calls, guys. 2023, that was when I gave Unisure. I said if you buy Unisure at 20 kobo, that Unisure will hit 1 naira and you will become Unisure millionaire. Guys, you become Unisure millionaire because as at then 200,000 will give you 1 million units of Unisure. And guess what? Your 200,000 is currently shooting and is about to give you 2 million naira. 2 million naira from just one stock. 2023, 24, 25 in less than 2 years. In less than 2 years. Some people where they've worked for 5 years. When they were going, they didn't even give them up to 500,000. They didn't even give them for say thank you. So guess what? That little money, that little cash that you have, imagine you bought this. I know you'll be saying, but it has passed now. Which one is there? This year, I gave my community one that is currently doing some numbers. And even today, I give them another one that will do numbers in 2 years. So these things are not rocket science. All you need to do is just to love yourself enough to pay for some certain service. That is all you need. Do you know some people cannot even pay to get a good haircut? They can't. When will you take care of yourself? When will you love yourself? How long will you be in that state that you can't carry little money? You say, "Shana, that one I go chop." How long? How long? Free things, and sometimes it affects your portfolio. When you take that decision, that boldness. That's why I brought down some smaller groups to help people to see that this money is you're going to make it back. Is really a free community because you are going to make it back. And guess what happened? Somebody shared with me yesterday on my Telegram channel, sorry, on my WhatsApp, and said when I gave them Unishow at 66. Imagine I give them Unishow at 66 again. He said she's over 120%. And if you add that of today's gain, that is over 136%. And she promised that she's going to share a testimony in the public group. So watch out when she decides to share her testimony. So let's move to the next one so that this video will not be too long. So sovereign assurance. So for sovereign assurance, so for sovereign assurance, if you've been trading with us, you understand that I gave sovereign assurance when it was actually one naira. Then when it was 1 naira, they declared 5 kobo. And I said if you go in, you get 5% and you get price prediction. I did that video and I'm very, very sure, except you are this the first video you're watching my channel, you must have come across that video. And this is Royal Exchange. So Royal Exchange is one stock that actually give me 50% also. I've traded this, though I didn't share it with my community. So let's move to the next one. I know you are waiting that stock that I want to give. So if you still wait to the end, you're able to see that stock. But if you move to the end, you won't see the stock. But if you stay close to the end, that is when you will see the stock. This is another one for Link Assurance. Every of these insurance guys, you can see they are doing all-time high, all-time high. Let's move to the next one. This is Custodian. Custodian even had a little bit of pullback. That was pullback to 37 and currently is 41. I told my community people that Custodian is going to do 50 and currently is still hovering around this area. But if you are entering now to 50, percentage is not much. So just pay attention and calm down so that you're able to get this stock I'm talking about. And this one is NIM. You can see NIM has started pulling back. Of course, it's going to bounce back because NIM movement has been like that, up, down, which is healthy for the market. That is what you want in the market. You want something that will go up, down, up, down. You don't want something that will just shoot because the way it's shooting, when it's coming down, that is how it's going to be coming down. As it does, it's going to be fast. I beg your pardon. So, guys, that is what I want to show you guys. And there is one I want to show you guys. That one we bought it as a community, and I don't know why that one is not showing here. Okay, let's quickly jump to this area here and let's search it. And that one is Conho. So Conho is another stock that we've enjoyed, guys. My wealth community, they are so excited, guys. My wealth community will just made 100% on Conho. Please say congratulations to my wealth society. You know the wealth society that want to build wealth. We have a 1 year project, and that project is to turn 2 million to 8 million in 1 year. And the goal for the first 6 months is to actually make what? 4 million, turn 2 million to 4 million. That is the goal for the first month. And guys, not the first month, I beg your pardon, for the first 6 months, that is from now to December, the goal is to turn 2 million to what? To 4 million naira. And guys, guess what? One of the stock we just bought actually is giving us 100%. So by tomorrow, this stock will be doing 100%. And guess what? We are still riding, guys. We are riding Koho to 10 naira. That is our bus stop, guys. To 10 naira. That is where we are taking to. That's where we are taking Koho to. So in case you are still watching and you want me to drop the the insurance stock I told you about. Thank you for watching, and I bet you didn't waste your time because right now I'm going to show you the stock right now. And guys, don't forget to appreciate. Even a comment is enough just to say thank you, coach. Thank you, Investor Joe. I think that is enough. That is enough. I'm not saying you should send me money. Thank you is enough. And guys, play it with style. Don't be too greedy, guys. As you are entering, determine your profit, either 30%, either 40%, either 50%. Just determine and get out. Don't let this race to catch you. Of course, we are going to scale through this week, and by next week we're going to still scale through. But within the week, guys, be smart, guys. Be smart. Be smart. And don't go and buy what I want to show you at 10 naira. You will not say I'm the one that says you should buy. No. So before I show you guys, let's not forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's not forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified in my post and reaching videos like this. And also don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends so that they will know what you are doing. So guys, here is the stock I want to show you guys. The name of the stock is Sonu Insurance. Sonu Insurance. That is what I'm showing you. It got rejected here, which happened on February 20th 2025, and it got another rejection here which happened in 2nd of April 2025, and right now we are in this place, and we are going to be getting this breakout in tomorrow's trading section. And guys, the goal is to ride it to all-time high, and it's going to shoot the all-time high. So guys, this is the only stock, and when others are taking profit, this is where the money will be coming to. So congratulations once more. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that I get notified of my post and reaching videos like this. Until we see you again, keep making money and keep protecting your profit. I love you, my friends, and there is nothing you can do about it. Hands to end salute. See you in the next one.